I'm going to show you how you can speed up your Motorola phone by using RAM Boost, and when you might actually be better off by not using it. So, RAM Boost is a native feature that allows your phone to use its storage to temporarily increase the amount of RAM. In case you're not familiar, RAM is the active working memory that's used when you have multiple apps open at the same time. Think of it as the short-term working memory, while your storage is the long-term storage for files and applications. To check how much RAM Boost you have available, or if the feature is turned on in the first place, you can go to Settings and then scroll all the way down to the About Phone section. Here, you'll see my RAM listed, showing the amount of RAM on this phone. The first number is the actual RAM. The second shows how much RAM Boost is enabled. If I tap the RAM button, I get this RAM Boost menu here, where, well, first of all, on the top, you have a toggle where you can turn RAM Boost on or off. Under that, we see the total amount of RAM. My phone has 8 GB of built-in RAM, and it's currently using 4 GB as RAM Boost, bringing the total to 12 GB. I could change the RAM Boost amount to anywhere between 2 and 8 GB. The exact options will be different depending on your phone model, though. And with that RAM Boost enabled, if your phone runs out of physical RAM while multitasking, it's going to tap into the storage and use a portion of that for its memory needs. Now, there's kind of a debate in the tech world whether this is actually good or not. If you have an entry-level phone like mine that has limited physical RAM, then definitely go ahead and use the RAM Boost. It'll allow your phone to work better and faster, and it's going to be able to handle multiple apps at the same time much better. But if you have a high-end phone that has a lot of RAM built in to begin with, you might actually be better off keeping RAM Boost turned off. The reason for this is that in order for your phone to use RAM Boost, it has to do a little bit of background processing when it's handing things off between the built-in RAM and the storage. And that handoff and constant processing might cause some stuttering, so if you have a high-end phone with a lot of RAM, you might actually be better off by keeping RAM Boost off. Anyways, that's RAM Boost on your Motorola phone. Click that like button if this video helped you and subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.